Hello friends, Peter here to give you a tour of my home-based server cabinet. It's a little messy, but it's the data that counts, right? I built this external server cabinet behind my home office and extended the roof from the structure. There are currently 3 servers in the server cabinet. It's outside for the fact that it keeps noise from cooling fans and hard drives out of inside spaces. I extended the power and network cabling from the office. The network cable is connected to the internet provider's router inside my house using Cat5 wiring. Wired network connections are standard for servers and preferable over Wi-Fi interfaces. This is a gigabit router supporting the services in this cabinet, as well as this Wi-Fi router that adds better coverage for the office. This is a typical rack mount server and was at a co-location facility until I ended that arrangement. As you can see, a rack isn't necessary for the server. I've raised it slightly for air circulation. This is my public server for websites, file sharing, and backups. I no longer use it to host email or DNS since moving to my home network. It's an older model that I haven't gotten around to migrating yet. I recently added 2 Intel NUC mini PCs for other server purposes. This server is dedicated to my cryptocurrency wallets. I'm running the Electra Protocol wallet in staking mode, which freezes access to coins I purchased in exchange for small regular payments. The server is online as staking continues and becomes a node on the coin's blockchain network. I also have a different wallet containing the coin UFO. This server is running Cloud Commander, software that allows cross-platform access to upload and manage files using a web browser. I also run a web server which provides links to the files in a browser so I can display family images, video, and audio on a computer monitor television. I could be sitting inside thinking about a clip that I captured, and if I have the browser, I can go to the website and click the link. To accommodate large media files, I've attached an external 4 terabyte hard drive. I've also installed Wuro, a WebRTC product. This is a pretty cool product which allows me to video conference with someone and optionally record the session directly to this device, eliminating the need for a third party such as Zoom. I've installed Virtual Network Computing, VNC, software on both servers. This allows me to log into a virtual desktop and use a graphical interface without the need to install a monitor, mouse, or keyboard. And you can see these are what I use for my older server, which doesn't have VNC. I wish I had installed that. Occasional power and network outages occur. I mean, they happen everywhere, right? I work from home, so being on the same network, I'm usually aware of the network going down. I have a business class internet, so that kind of justifies an expedited response to restore my network. I have an uninterruptible power supply to keep my servers running in the event of a power outage. I modified the UPS by adding 2 large batteries, allowing the servers to remain operating longer without power from the grid. As long as the power is restored before the battery runs out, I don't need to worry about booting the servers, and they will be back online as soon as the power is restored. I have a couple solar panels up on the roof to keep the batteries freshly charged. You can see these are the charge controllers for the solar panels, and the 12-volt source is being pushed into these batteries down below. Just a little way that I like to think I'm being greener. Part of the fun of maintaining a server is knowing that anyone around the world can access a file right here. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Good luck.